didn't expect these Amazon Flies to become part of my everyday routine, but now I use them constantly. First up, something that I didn't expect to replace two things, both my vacuum and my mop, and that is my Dreame 14 Pro. You guys, this is hands down, I think, one of the best vacuum mop combinations on the market, and I have went through a few of them and reviewed them, but this one has a lot of the updated features that I have been wanting that some of the other ones was missing and lacking. The best part about it is that it's super time saving, okay? It vacuums and it mops. So instead of me vacuuming my entire first floor or my kitchen or my kids area and then coming back and having to mop the entire area again, it literally saves and conserves my energy. And I don't have to do it one time, which is great. I don't have to do double the work. And it saves time, right? Like when you have to vacuum your whole kitchen or your whole living room or both, your whole first floor or whatever, and then come back and mop, oh my God. Talk about time saving and energy saving. So one thing I like about this vacuum too is that it's so easy to push. It's like lightweight to push. I say it self-propels. You really don't have to put work in it. All this thing just go. It has edge-to-edge cleaning, which I love. It also comes with a cleaner that you can put inside of it. It self-cleans, most importantly, okay? Not only does it self-clean though, it self-cleans with hot water and it dries, okay? So yes, it goes through a whole self-cleaning cycle. It's a little loud, but you know it's cleaning. It's cleaning with hot water and it's doing that hot air dry, so you don't have to worry about dealing with a moldy brush head over and over. So that's one thing I like about it. It cuts down on time and it cuts down on our energy. And so both my husband and I can grab it whenever needed. We can go do the whole first floor if we want to, or just do the kids area, but it vacuums and it mops, cleans. We're good. Okay, I didn't need another water bottle. No, I did not. But y'all, this one was worth the hype. And I decided to test it out because everybody talks about it. And I'm like, I have plenty. I don't need another one, but it is so worth it. A couple of features that this does. This one just separates itself from the other water bottles on the market. And I'm going to tell you a couple of reasons why. One, it's a 2-in-1. So if you like a straw cup like me, this has a built-in straw. And another feature about it too is that it also has a hole at the top. If you like to, chug and drink, you still can chug and drink. So it has a 2-in-1 type of dispensers, which is great. It has an easy lever to carry, so it makes it super easy to carry. You can close this whenever you need to get it out the way. It's cup holder friendly. It's small hand friendly, So I love the Awalas. But the built-in feature, hands down, one of my favorites about this right here. And it can go in the dishwasher. I mean, I think they say hand wash, but I have put it in the dishwasher, y'all. This thing has been put in the washer every day. And it still is beautiful. They do have a lot of variety options. This one is the Disney Princess collection, but I will link both this one and plus just the regular colors too, which I think comes in at a little bit of a lower price, I think. But I will link them both and you guys can check them out. But they have lots of colors. You can get your favorite color. But yeah, this right here, I mean, y'all, I'm sorry. Of all the water bottles, this one's worth the hype. I will grab this one quick in a heartbeat. I really am impressed with these. Totally worth the hype. Another item that this one is very unexpected, but it's been very impressive. And that is this over-the-door basketball hamper. Now, I got this for our son's room. It can be for any kiddo who loves to throw things. The problem that it solves is that it keeps clothes off the floor. So my son, he actually always put his clothes in his hamper, but he just started he had to throw it, had to hoop it in the hamper. So if you have a kiddo who either the floors just stay on the floor or sounds like your kids like to throw things, the hamper is a win-win, okay? You put it over the door so it's out of the way and it uses that vertical space. And it gives them something to do. They can work on throwing stuff into the hamper. And the best part about it is the release of the clothes. I don't know why, but it's so satisfying. Not just for the kids, but for me too. So it's just when you unzip it, all the clothes just shoot out. It's really fun. That's all I can say. It's really fun. So the release of the clothes is amazing. Now the storage, it does store a lot of clothes. For my son, it holds a whole week of clothes, and that's like uniforms and sports clothes and all that too. So it is large because it's like long and it's so far held up extremely well. all year. So I do recommend it, do like it. Very unexpected, but it's used daily. Now this next one is actually a low friction habit builder, and that is this mouthwash dispenser. This one I have in our bathroom, and I also have in my son's bathroom as well. And believe it or not, it builds kids' independence and it builds a great habit. So for me, it solves a problem of not having to take the time out to open up a mouthwash, pour it out, you know, do that, and then having to worry about my son doing the same thing or him spilling it, or, you know, it saves just a lot of headache and trouble. I don't have to worry about him opening it and getting it all over the place. It dispenses mouthwash. You can set how much it dispenses, 10, 20, or 30 mLs. And it comes with 2 cups that are magnetically attached to the top. So you can reuse it over and over and over. And I have absolutely loved this jar. I loved it first for me and the hubs, and then I decided to get it for my kid because, again, it saves time, it saves a headache of spills, and, you know, it also builds a great habit and also builds independence for the kids. So yes, I love to save time, and I love to make my life a lot easier and my kids' life as well. Another item that I've talked about this a lot, so if you've been watching my channel, you already probably know or have seen it, but it's a very functional item, and that is the automatic soap dispenser. This one is beautiful, y'all. So one thing about this one I think that sets it apart from a lot on the market is that it looks like just a regular soap dispenser. It don't look robotic. It doesn't like a big old machine. Like a lot of the ones we like, those rippled texture ones, are manual ones, but this one is automatic, which sets it apart. It's rechargeable. The charge lasts a long time, and it's easy to refill. So for me, it's just a win-win over the manual ones any day. It comes in several colors, the white, the black. You can get the liquid gel or you can get the foam. I have both and I love them. And I've had them for a long time, for years, and I still recommend them, and they're still in stock. So this one is the white one, which was my newest buy. I think I got this one this year. I got the black one maybe last year or 2 years ago, but I love it. It's just so pretty. So if you're trying to go for a clean bathroom or a guest bathroom, I actually use it kind of everywhere. I have one right over here in the kitchen. That's the one that was unexpected. I got it for my bathroom, but y'all, I loved it so much. I was like, oh, I got to get one for the kitchen, because hands-free cleaning, like after touching meat and things like that, I'm all for it. I was like, it's a win-win. Definitely solved a major problem, and I am in love with these. A little bit obsessed. I've purchased a lot. So I did have to tell y'all about these if you haven't tried them out or looked into them. Okay, an underrated item is this guy right here. I really didn't expect me to be repurchasing this over and over and over when it first came out. Y'all know, we all know Dawn, right? Dawn was the dish soap, you know, right. I was like, why do we need a power wash? Why do we need this? Until you use it and use it the right way. It's game changing. I mean, it's one of those things I literally did not expect me to be using on a daily basis. And it's super great for getting tough stains. We use it on pots, pans after cooking. You can use it on your sinks, your stoves, air fryers. If you want to clean your air fryers, spray this on, let it set. The key is making sure you let it set without getting it wet. Let this work. You got to give it time to work and degrease. It's so powerful. It is so powerful. And it's one of those things, like, I was like, what? I didn't expect to be using it every day, but we do. I have so many scents. I have all the scents. I have boxes of power wash. We literally stay stocked of this, but it's one of our go-tos daily for tough stains, grease, any of that, toaster ovens, anything that we need some heavy duty degreaser for is one of my favorites to use. But yeah, definitely underrated. Now this next one is a space hack. It literally gave me space I didn't know I had, and I love it. And that is a magnetic bin. This guy you can attach to anything magnetic. If you need extra storage space for a lot of things, because this one is deep and wide, you can use this for a lot of different things around your home. I currently have it in my laundry room. It attaches to my dryer. Super strong. It has not fallen off, like, ever. And you can store dryer balls in it. You can store dryer sheets. You can store any like sprays or anything you need within reach. I've also used it in my garage on like the metal cabinets. You can put your cleaning cloths, your cleaning sprays that you want easy reach and easy grab and access to. It's just amazing. I love magnetic bins, and this is one highly worth grabbing. I've had it for a while, but I like that it's big, it's deep, and you can use it for a variety of things. And y'all, this is one of my favorites. This is at the top. And I didn't expect it at all. The moment I tried them out, I fell in love. And that's erasable pens. Like, I'm such a lover of writing things down. I have to write stuff down. I've tried the digital route for years, and I still do some stuff digital, but some stuff I have to have pen and paper for. So my calendars, my to-do list, things like that, I am a pen and paper girl. And I have fallen in love with erasable pens because things happen. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I'm not going to be able to do this today, or I might have wrote the wrong thing, or I might have to change something off the calendar, like moving a doctor's appointment, or so many times I have to like erase. I'm erasing every day. So even when I'm doing like little calculations and stuff, I'm always erasing. So erasable pens for me have been a game changer, and I love them. And I did not expect to be using these daily, but I stay stocked. When I tell you I stay stocked, we stay stocked. My husband now even uses erasable pens. We have gel pens too, but our go-tos are these right here. We both love them. Sometimes we like fight over them. Like, it's crazy. Like, who took my pen? But erasable pens, y'all, genius. And I will link them below. But yeah, one of my favorites. And you get them in all the colors too. Let's talk about air fryer liners. So I love, and I didn't even expect it, but I love air fryer liners. We do have a Ninja air fryer. These right here, you can put in your air fryer to cook your food in. Keep your air fryer from getting dirty so quick. It catches those crumbs and that grease and things like that, so you don't have to deep clean your air fryers as much. Now, we also use these for baking with, okay? Yes, I do. In my toaster oven, I will throw these on a pan quick if I just need to cook in it or bake in it, biscuits, cookies, things like that. I have also eaten out of these. Believe it or not, y'all. We'll throw some nuggets and fries in the air fryer in these liners and eat right out of it too. So these have been unexpected, but it's been a great win overall because we're using these daily. Like, I'm literally looking at my stove and there's one over there in our pan because we can just cook biscuits. But we use these a lot, quite often, and it cuts down on cleaning too. So another one that is a win-win in our book. I didn't buy them for the purpose of baking with, but now I think we bake. Well, it's probably the same, but we bake just as much as we air fry with those. Now, this vine is slightly elevated, but it's super functional. Oh, I got an echo. Okay, but no, seriously, this is a refillable tissue holder for your car that you can stick right in your cup holder. So I love the sizing. I love the look. If you look at it, it's like leather texture. It does come in a lot of colors. You don't have to get the black, but it's refillable. So this lid pops right off, and I'm going to refill it live because it's empty. You take whatever tissues you like to use. I have been using these little tissues for years because they're like the perfect size of my purses, my bags, you know, these right here. So they're not the normal Kleenex size, but they're soft enough to serve as both a Kleenex and a hand tissue for the kids, like in the car for spills and stuff. So all I do is I take whatever tissues and I fold it up, pull that center piece up like that. Can y'all see that? Pull it up like that, stick it in there, and you just pull that through the top and you have your refillable Kleenex holder. So, and you can just pull your tissues right out. So sometimes I have to reach back in there, but it's right there. But if you have the longer tissues, it actually work a little bit better than my short ones. But hey, do what works for you. But the point is, this guy saves you time, saves you money, because you don't have to go. I know some people do buy just the cup holder tissue ones, but if you just buy the like this right here where you can refill it, it saves you so much money. And you just go buy your Kleenex in bulk. So I love it. I've had it a long time in our car. It's one of those things we use because every day school drop off, we got somebody nose running, you know, sneezing, stuff like that. This is used every day. So love this guy too. If you guys enjoyed, definitely be sure to give me that thumbs up. Also, make sure you do subscribe as well. Leave me a comment. Let me know which one you didn't expect coming. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to check out my next video coming up. You're gonna love that one just as well.